Electrophoretic coating line is an automated system used to apply a protective coating to metal parts. It uses an electric field to deposit paint, often a primer, onto the workpiece, creating a uniform and durable layer. These lines are commonly found in industries like automotive, home appliances, and construction where corrosion resistance and consistent coating thickness are crucial.
Together we color the world.